Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and signing up. You need an active store and admin access. Create your Goaffpro account and verify your email so the dashboard unlocks. Once done, connect your store platform, Shopify or WooCommerce, using the provided app or plugin to sync products and customers. Make sure to enter business details now, payout account, tax ID, and 1099 preferences so affiliate payments and compliance work smoothly later. This prevents rework and speeds configuration. You now configure the core program settings, define commission rates, %, flat, or tiered, and set product-specific overrides to control margins. Next, implement tracking by installing Goaffpro scripts or Pixel. This ensures accurate referral attribution and cookie duration. Then create the affiliate sign-up page and choose automatic or manual approvals. Customize the welcome email to include dashboard login steps. Once these are complete, test a referral link yourself to confirm sales track correctly before inviting affiliates. To finish, invite affiliates and supply creatives, coupon codes, and unique referral links so they can promote immediately. Set payout rules, schedule, minimum balance, and allowed payment methods to avoid delays. Monitor initial conversions in the dashboard and reconcile commissions against orders. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot systematically. Verify the Goaffpro script is on every page, ensure cookie domain matches your store domain, and clear any caching or CDN layers. If tracking still fails, reproduce the flow and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.